key, button, push this button, this slides out. It might be hard to do. Whoops. So yeah, that comes off, and then when you're looking at the back, right here, it's a little drawer. You gotta get your finger in there. It's like a little thing that pulls out. I can't see it. Do it and show you. And you gotta make sure that you keep it near the keys so you don't put it in upside down. And then after you take it out, you'll see the battery there. And it's a 2032. Anyway, make sure you stick the battery, the flat part on the against the flat part, the right, and then stick that back in. And clicky poo poo. Clicky poo poo.